Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Honda HR-V key fob here. It works for these models 2016 and 2022 and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery in the description and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to turn the fob like this to the back, and right here you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button to this side, and when you slide it this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. Now when you remove the mechanical key, turn the fob like this from the bottom right here. This here is the side with the buttons facing down. Do that because you can lose them. Alright, and now between these two pieces right here, right in the center right here, you need to insert only the tip here of the mechanical key. Insert only the tip and now twist it a little bit, push up like this. This will crack open and this way you can very easily separate the fob into two pieces like this. And when you do that, right after that here you see your old dead battery. To remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver, insert it here and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery here in the same place, just install your new battery like this and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. Do that because it's very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, these two pieces, you need to align them perfectly like this, all corners to match, everything have to match perfectly and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning. And right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.